I'm Anil Kumar, and in this video we will see how to write algebraic expression when a graph is given to us. The question here is, look at the graph below and answer the questions. So that's the graph given to us. It's a straight line, you can see, and these are a few points on the particular graph which have been connected by a straight line. Make input-output table, that's the first part. What is the algebraic expression for the graph, and is this a linear pattern? So these are the different questions which we need to answer for the given graph, right? So let's begin by making an input-output table. So that basically means that we'll have x values, which are the inputs, right? So we'll have x values, and then these are the x values, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And for each x value, we'll write down the y value. So let's begin. So these are the dots which we are interested in finding value of. So the numbers for x is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So let me write down those numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now to find the y value, what do we do? So to find y value, what we really do is we take the x value, go up, and then see what y value it corresponds to. In this case, it is 2. So I will write down value 2 for there, right? So for 1, it is 2. So we get 2 here. Now for 2, what is the y value? So we go up, and then from here we go left, and we say that the y value is 4, right? So for x equals to 2, y is 4. So you follow this pattern. So for 3, it is 6, correct? So for 3, as you go, it is 6. So we get 3 is 6. And 4 is 8. And 5 is 10. So 5 is 10. So that is how you can get your input-output table, right? So we can say this is my input, right? So this is my input. And that is my output. Now the next part is, what is the algebraic expression for the graph? So now we need to see how is output related with input. For 1 we get 2, for 2 we get 4, for 3 we get 6, 4, 8, 5, 10. That means twice the input. So the output is twice the input. So we can write this as 2 times x, right? So that is twice the input. And the last part here is this a linear pattern? So since they all fall in a straight line, so it is a linear pattern. So we say yes, it is a linear pattern, since once we connect them, we get a straight line. So that is how we can answer these questions. Now, as an added question, what you can do here is, let me extend this value here and say if my input is, let us say 12, then what is going to be the output? And then if my output is, let us say 34, then what is the input, right? So figure out these numbers as an added exercise. Correct. So that could be one question, and I'm adding part D for you. And you write 3 numbers which will not be in the given sequence of number pattern. So write 3 numbers which will not be in the given sequence of number pattern. Now when we say number pattern, then the number pattern here is the first term is 2, the second term is 4, the third term is 6, and so on, correct? So you need to write 3 numbers which will not be in the given sequence of number patterns, right? So that is an added exercise for you to do. I hope that helps. Thank you, and all the best.